Hello everybody, welcome to the spectacular world of cryptocurrencies with Crypto Halloween, our channel. Today we will talk about a new project called Fleximine, based on mining, staking and AI. But before that, don't forget to put like, follow to this channel and also share this video with your friends, and let's go to the second part after this intro. So let's go now to discover more about this project. Fleximine, as I said, is for mining, stacking, and also based on AI. Experience the best of both worlds, distributed cloud mining of cryptocurrencies with the help of artificial intelligence. So Fleximine introduced an innovation approach of cryptocurrencies mining, merging artificial intelligence, and this platform offers a revolutionary concept where users of cryptocurrencies enhance their mining power through AI-driven strategies with efficient solution for investors of all levels. Since the emergence, Bitcoin mining has undergone significant changes, from the simple task performing computers to complex processors requiring specialized machines and large data centers. This increased complexity has led to higher energy for consumption and also making mining accessible to many individuals users. Cloud mining opened the doors to a broad audience, offering the opportunities to participate in mining without the needs of invest in costly equipment. So all the things will be in cloud. However, this approach has also been associated with the risk, and the industry has faced issues including lack of transparency, fraud, and absence of guarantees, leading many investors to lose funds due to the operations bearless promises of high returns. So Fleximine aims to radically transform this sector by offering a unique platform that combines the simplicity and accessibility of cloud mining with innovation, AI, technology for optimization and automation. Fleximine users can choose from various cryptocurrencies for the mining section based on market analysis and also AI algorithm, allowing for dynamic adaptation to changing market condition and maximizing profits. So as you see here, this is the pre-sale, which will be launched in 6 days, and for now, one FXM worth $0.0144. You can purchase with the Ethereum or with the USDT. So it's very easy. I will choose, for example, 100 FXM and I will buy it with USDT. So connect wallet and you can do your purchase very easy with this platform. So this project has been featured in Bitcoin magazine, Finance Zen, and also other magazines. So as I said, how to start in this platform. With Fleximine, starting mining or stacking becomes easier than ever. Open the door to the world crypto mining by making a deposit via MetaMask or Bitcoin, which directly translates into mining activities and stacking opportunities. As I said, all will be very easy. Just connect your MetaMask and you can deposit with Fleximine. Choose which cryptocurrencies to mine your own and use AI to maximize profitable margins. Fleximine gives you a unique flexibility in managing investments, including the complete return of your deposits at your discretion, ensuring the stability of your income and protect your investment even with volatilities of the market. So as you see here, Fleximine bonus guide for pre-sale. So this is the first month how it go. Until 1,000 you will get 5%, 5,000 10%. This is the power increase. Until 1 million you will get 35%, that costs $10,000. So in terms and condition benefits, you can check all that and more by clicking here. For the roadmap, it's already in the website from the Q4 of 2023. It's already done. Now we are in the first quarter of this year. As you see, official release of Fleximine mobile and desktop application, completion of the pre-sale phase, and opening of the platform for deposit and stacking, enabling the features for users to withdraw mines, implementation of marketing campaigns involving influencers, active promotion on social media, introduction of intelligent AI algorithms to enhance multi-mining, expansion of the customer support team to ensure a high level of service, listing of FXM token and leading centralized cryptocurrencies exchange, launch a comprehensive marketing campaign to increase brand awareness. So this is for this quarter. For the next quarter, it will be intensification of marketing efforts focused on demonstration, successfully mining and stacking use case, development of partnership with major cloud mining providers, strategic partner with key cryptocurrencies exchange to increase FXM token liquidity, launch of loyalty programs and the referral system to stimulate community growth, and it will go until the first quarter of the 2025. So for the tokenomics of this project, this is how it will go. So the total supply will be 4 billion, as you see here. 25% will be for mining investments, 25% for platform development, 20% for marketing and partnerships, and 10% for community engagement, and finally 10% for reserve fund. So the distribution of FXM token Fleximine's strategy aims to create a healthy ecosystem, stimulating growth and ensuring transparency of all operations in this website. You can check the team and advisor, and you can check it by visiting the Telegram or all social media. They are always active there. And as you see, also some questions that you can need is what is FXM or Fleximine. We have already talked about that, how to buy it already. Also, what makes Fleximine unique? How does stacking work in Fleximine? What is the benefits for FXM pre-sale participants? How does Fleximine ensure security and transparency? You can check all that by this section. So let's go now and check the KYC and also the audit. So as you see here, the KYC is already verified. This is all details that you can check from the socials, country tier. This is for the 1 tier. Control over liquidity, contracts, trusted projects, and funds. You can check all that. This link will be in the description of this video, and you can check it by yourself. For the next one, as you see here, this is the GitHub file, a knowledge of this project, and you can check all this file because you have access to that. So as I said, all files will be in the description. So this is it. I guess we have talked about all angles of this project. I hope I was helpful. Don't forget to put like, follow to this channel, and comment about any question that you have. Thank you very much for your trust, and see you in the next video.